Hello, I'm Adriana Albini. I'm the principal investigator of this paper. The study has been done in the laboratory of Multimedica in Milan, a collaboration with the Varese University of Insubria and the Hospital of Reggio Emilia. We studied multi-walled carbon nanotubes, and what we wanted to see was a particular model of exposure. Why we study multi-walled carbon nanotubes? Those are particles that are very studied, used in the industry for their properties. They have a very good length-diameter ratio, lightweight, high mechanical strength, good surface area, behavior like metallic and semi-metallic, high electro and thermal conductivity. And they're extremely employed in industrial setting. However, we know very little about the risk for health, possible toxicities for public health, and what kind of exposure can occur in workers of the industry for employing multi-walled carbon nanotubes. So we decided to study the effects on the human body, and there is a literature with that, but mostly using artificial exposure like lung inhalation or injection. What we use is a novel model of exposure where the mice in the cage litter have multi-walled carbon nanotubes. We put the tubes in the litter and the mice agitate it, and therefore they get inhaled or goes on the skin, or if they eat, it goes also in the intestinal tract. So this is some more working place kind of exposure. And after this exposure, we look the distribution of the nanoparticles. And what we see is the nanoparticles are distributed in various organs, principally the lung, but also they go to the brain, they pass the blood-brain barrier, and to the liver. And they are absorbed, and obviously they cannot be destroyed, so they suscitate inflammation. The macrophages are trying to digest them, and also there is amyloid deposition in the brain, and this is very new and interesting because we might figure there could be some brain damage due to the particles. Therefore, we developed a possible model also for future studies, and we see that there is accumulation in the body and amyloid formation, and we suggest that cautious and precaution should be paid in the industrial use of these particles. The studies has been supported by the Cariplo Foundation in Milan and by the Italian Association for Cancer Research. Thank you.